Hello fellows, welcome to another episode of the Bitcoin. Guys, thank you very much for your support, for your likes, for your subscriptions. We are 25 subs away from our first giveaway. Again, thank you very much. I didn't expect to like my content, to be honest, because it's for traders, it's live, unedited and so on. However, thank you very much. Before starting with the Bitcoin, I would like to inform people on Reddit that we do not use the communities anymore. Unexpectedly, everything was banned from there, even when I tried to ask them what's happening and so on. We didn't have so many people there, so it's not so much of a deal. However, I would like to apologize to some few followers there because they don't know what happened, and this is the reason that I'm giving explanations. However, my content was keep manipulated. My content was being removed even if it was getting like 50 or 60 likes the first days there. Unexpectedly, my content was always removed. So in this case, we cannot build any base in Reddit. I don't know why they are doing. They never reply to me. But really, I don't care. This is not the purpose that I created this channel on YouTube. So my second attempt is Quora. However, Quora has very low quality of content, and I don't know. I cannot explain why, and I cannot say the reason. I don't know. I have already contacted them. I have sent them an email. However, every time that I see notification is porn. In every single like porn, 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 porn. It's only porn. The entire answers and requests and whatever it's porn. So, given on these situations, there is only Facebook. So this is the only community that I haven't seen these kind of things so far. I know that probably you're going to see some people spamming in there. However, I prefer someone that is spamming than these kind of things. I mean, I'm really disappointed. However, I want to build something for real human, real people, to have some quality content and so on. I am sure that most of the people that are subscribing in this channel are humans. Every time I delete bots, I hope I can spot them. Again, guys, thank you very much. I had to say that to some people. Of course, we don't have so much big audience now, but if we don't do some things properly from the beginning, then I don't know exactly how we're gonna solve that. Again, guys, thank you very much. Thank you for listening to me in this small introduction, and I will go to the Bitcoin right away. For this week on the CFTC report, we are watching that still the non-commercials are outplayed like every time. I mean, they are keep shorting the currency, even though the prices keep going higher. But look what the commercials did. Remember the previous week was the long position at 449, and now it's 754. Actually now, this week, from now on, the commercials are keep going long in the market. And this is a very important information. Remember that here is our entry point when the commercial were still at 62. I mean 62 long positions. And now we are at 754. 60% of them are long the Bitcoin. Of course, one more time, the non-commercial, the retailers are outplayed, for sure. In the total percentages, we have more short position than longs. These are the retailers, for sure. This is our diagram, short versus long. And we are watching this week that the short positions were much more than the long ones. 50.7 to 49. So yes, however, the numbers shows exactly the opposite. We are still in the good side of the trade. Our account is up almost 3%, actually 2.8. Guys, don't be greedy. This is a huge percentage. So I've told you that you have to lower your expectations. We will keep the trade. I can guarantee it will be a very juicy and long trade. So, in the technical part, still, the market is bearish for sure, at least in the weekly. It seems like we are seeing a retracement. However, I still believe that the prices will keep going higher. I am expecting this is a golden ratio retracement. Also this one, I have mark. These are more fade lines because I'm still expecting the market to go higher. We don't know how the market will react at these levels. We are still good. I will speculate. I will say that the prices will hit more than 25k. Even though if there is a retracement at this level, I won't be surprised. It's something that I'm already expecting. Also, guys, you ask me why I choose an FX platform and not any other platform that I could use it normally. Well, actually, I do that because you can see exactly my entries, my IDs, my entries IDs and so on. I want to be 100% transparent to know exactly what happened, when were my entries, at what point I entered the market, because we are doing that since December. I mean, I'm watching the market for 8 months now. So if you have some questions, you have to roll back in some episodes because you are asking me some same questions, let's say. I prefer to pay some fees because I can show you with more transparency what's happening in the market and my entries instead of going in a platform and not having some trades. I think it's easy to cheat, let's say. That's what I believe. I mean, when you're doing something for many people, you have to do it with a way that it's be presentable. Yeah, no doubt I'm paying the fees. It's like 60 cents, but I have already calculated them. So yeah, so far we are good. As I've said, my account is like 2.8% up. It's a huge return considering the period. However, we will continue with that trade. It will be a huge and very juicy trade. I can guarantee that. Of course, we don't know for how long we will keep it, but my intention is to keep it many weeks and discuss about the Bitcoin every week. Also, you sent me some sources. It's like a diagram, let's say, that I want to present. I want your opinion on that. And you are showing me how many people are owing Bitcoin. I mean, more and more people owing at least one Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't disagree with that. However, the price it's almost a 1/3. I mean, Bitcoin was at 7k and now it's at 24. So we should expect this kind of changes in the market. I mean, I'm not getting excited. Of course, I'm long in the market. I definitely wouldn't short that market at any point. So yes, guys, let's see. We will be here. We will cover it every week. Again, guys, thank you very much for your messages and also the strategies that you are sending me. I cannot check everything. I can guarantee that, but I will create a Forex debunked and we will check everything there. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for your support. Remember, we are like 25 subs away from our first giveaway. Trade safe, and I hope I'll see you in the future.